Hi, I'm John from Jim's Mowing, and today we're going to talk about this unsightly area. We've all got these unsightly areas at home, whether it be the dead side of the house, the back corner of the shed, at home, inside my garage. We've all got them and we ignore them. Well, today we're going to try and help you clean it up and show you some of the services that we can do. So firstly, what we're going to do is we're going to try and make this path a usable pathway again, a user-friendly pathway. Clear up all the debris that's along the pathways, any foliage that's growing out blocking access along the pathway. Also prune the trees that are touching the roof, and finally gutter cleaning. Clean the gutters out, cleaning gutters and having good flowing gutters and unblocked downpipes will help with stopping damage to your eaves, fascias, and flooding back inside the house. Now we're going to start to use a few chainsaws here to clear things, but we're going to get the appropriate PPE on. First we're going to put on a set of chaps. It's a bit of protection against the chainsaw. So just give me a sec while I get all these on. These are also really good if you've got to cut blackberries or lots of prickle bushes, even just with your normal general hedge cutter, or however, they just stop you getting scratched, and you know, you can be a bit more forceful in there. Okay, we'll get some glasses, some gloves, bit of hearing protection. Okay, so first things we're going to use the pole saw. Well, this is a multi-tool. This is a Shindell multi-tool, and it's got a pole pruner, a pole saw attachment with it. Just pop that on. Great piece of equipment, so we can safely stand on the ground without having to get up ladders or anything. Safety is always important. So we'll give this a start. Okay, welcome back, John again. Now this time we're going to put on the hedge attachment to our multi-tool. So we'll just click all this in. Tighten her up. So what we're going to hope to achieve here is just to clear anything hanging over the retaining wall of the pathway, or anything that's about head height, or reach up about 2.5 metres above the ground, so you can walk along. Just in case you've got any NBA stars coming to your house, you can help them be safe. All right, we're back. We've finished up cleaning. We've cleared the pathways, cleared anything head height. You can see it's nice and open now. Now what we're going to do is give it a nice blow and a bit of a rake and finish it all off and get it to come back to a nice usable pathway, something your friends aren't going to make fun of you because you can't even get around there or something. So give us a sec and we'll come back. All right, welcome back. Now you can see we've gone off and we've blown it. And it's looking a lot neater. 300 times better than it was. It's now serviceable. Now you want to come around here, you can even see down the end there's a table. You could probably even sit out here on a nice warm day now and sit out of the sun, keep cool, glass of wine, cup of tea, whatever takes your fancy. And as we walk through, you can see now other services that you might inquire about with your Jim's mowing guy. You can see here, there's a lot of mould growing on the pathways, so it's still a little bit hazardous. So here you could do high pressure washing and clean that all up and get that cleaned up so it was all nice and neat and clean, and all the soil and gunk and muck that's just got stuck in there with all the leaves rotting over a period of time, all that could be cleaned up. So then you've all of a sudden now got a really nice area. This would be perfect on a nice warm day to sit out here and have a cup of tea or a drink after work. So yep, there you go. The other thing as you come along, you can see here another service Jim's Mowing can offer, or Jim's Landscaping, depending on the height of this retaining wall. You can see the retaining wall starting to fall away. So it's becoming a little bit hazardous. Your local Jim's landscaping guy is more to offer you the service with this higher retaining wall. It's a more construction thing. You'd be looking for his expertise. Coming along as you come down here, as it gets a little bit lower, it becomes more a garden edge. This is more your Jim's Mowing type. Your Jim's Mowing guy will be able to help you with this. So always make the call, 131546 or jimsmowing.com.au.